Hello guys, so in this video I will tell you that how to remove red patches from the skin in Adobe Photoshop here. So we will create the hue and saturation adjustment layer here, and then we will tap on this hand option and we will select the red patch from here. Okay, and then what we can have to do, we will take the hue all the way to the right and take the saturation all the way to the right, and then from these sliders here we will just select these parts which have the red patches. Okay, so if we just move it down here like this one, so these are the parts that have red patches like this one here. Okay, and then what we're gonna have to do, we will just take it back to like 0 here and take this also back to like 0 here. Okay, and now what we basically do, we will just light this up. Okay, and now here you can see that we have like solve this problem here. Okay, so that's how you can basically like remove the red patches from the skin here. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.